Understanding the phrase, bowling tournament. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, bowling tournament. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. Before diving into what a bowling tournament is, let's first understand bowling. Bowling is a popular game involving rolling a heavy ball down a lane to knock down a set of pins arranged at the end. It's a fun activity enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. The objective is to knock down as many pins as possible. Now, let's talk about a tournament. A tournament is a series of contests between a number of competitors who compete in various games or sports. The competitors are typically divided into groups or brackets, and they compete against each other until a winner is determined. Tournaments can be held for many different sports and games, not just bowling. Combining the two concepts, a bowling tournament is a competitive event where players or teams play the game of bowling against each other, following a set structure, to eventually determine a winner or a winning team. These tournaments can vary in size, rules, and level of competition, ranging from local community events to professional and international championships. To help you grasp it better, let's see some examples. I am participating in a local bowling tournament this weekend. Did you watch the International Bowling Tournament on TV last night? Our company is organizing a bowling tournament for team building. That's all about the phrase, bowling tournament. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning English can be fun, especially with phrases related to activities like sports. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.